So these are the flowers of the Sidr tree, Ziziphusspinachristi, in Oman, up in the mountains, and just doing, again, preliminary sketches, getting to know the plant and looking at the double thorn here, which was a characteristic in the little group of flowers. And then, you know, more sketches to understand it. They were tiny little flowers. So these are actually times 12. I put them under the microscope to dissect them, and so you got these chubby little sepals and then thin little petals that were tucked in behind the anthers. And you can see as the buds open, then the sepals fall back. So just getting to know the structure of the plant. Again, lots of studies, lots of drawings, and then across to working out the colours. And so combination of sort of an off-white, and some are warm, some are cooler. So quin gold and ultramarine violet, I mean there's such subtle changes. And then quin gold and sap green, whether it's Naples yellow, and sap green, whether it's the Winsor & Newton Naples yellow or the St. Helier. So just changing the proportion changes the colour just a little bit. And I was trying to find my paints to check on the colours, and a lot of my paints have got teeth marks in them, so I think I might hold a beagle responsible for that. I don't know which is his favourite colour, but and then down across here to part of the painting. So these are the final clusters of flowers showing the details. So these are times 12 on the painting. So the little groups of buds, and then the open flower showing the subtle changes of whites and creams and yellow according to if the flower is going over a bit more. So these are all, so these are the final painting. I'm down to a study here, which is going over, so it's a little bit warmer yellow, probably a little bit more quin gold in there. And they were also hairy as well, so lots of tiny little hairs on there, and sort of very like a little cushion in the middle here with the gynoecium. So those are the final flowers, and these are all the preliminary notes coming up and up and up to the microscope, and the drawings at the top, preliminary drawings, and then the dissections over here, just showing again all the preliminary work to do with just one aspect of the painting. So Sidr from Oman.